Hi, this is Jeffrey Campbell, and I want to talk about the BASIC program. And our first formulation within the BASIC program is called CF1. You'll see it's red, and it says CF1, which stands for chronic fatigue number 1. This formula is the most important formula in relationship to the liver and the liver's ability to assimilate calcium into the bone marrow. When we assimilate the calcium from the lysine in the liver, which stops the burning, the calcium goes in the bone marrow to produce new cells. It activates stem cells. The stem cells stimulate the T cells, which are in our thymus, to build up our immunity. Calcium actually within the blood itself is what causes oxidation, and it calcifies the blood itself, and it actually thins the veins and like that. What this formula does, it actually removes the calcium out of the blood, takes it in the bone marrow where we want to make the calcium and to make the stem cells. If you were to actually look at the bone marrow itself, it's actually flowing back and forth, just like coral. The more that's flowing back and forth, the more oxygen, the more T cells and the red blood cells are producing new bone, new tissue. Well, new bone, new tissue is new skin. It is the cartilage that connects everything. It's the disc activating the circulation through the nerves. So this actually activates the body's ability to build immunity, build new skin, new tissue, and activates the regeneration process, which is what our body's wanting to do. When a person starts to lose bone, in osteoporosis as an example, the calcium is actually being leached from the bone and put into the bloodstream because the person is actually losing the energy. So the body actually starts attacking itself, which attacks the skin. That's when you start having skin problems. It also starts to attack the bone marrow itself. Over a long period of time, this actually activates the loss of bone and the osteoporosis that women will suffer as they get older or through any kind of stress situation. This formulation helps to activate the removal of viruses, the herpes simplex, for example, and also the lysine that's in this formula activates the stopping of the burning, and that also activates another part of the body, which is assimilation of fat, and that has to do with methionine. With lysine activates carnitine, and carnitine is produced in the liver from the lysine and methionine that activates the regeneration of the muscle, the tissue, and assimilates the natural cholesterol that we all need. So you can see this formula is actually very important, and it's a really good formula for our skin, our tissue, and to activate our T cells and to regenerate new bone, which we can all do. Thank you.